The latest news which is coming from CISF is that the CISF has registered a case as per Kangana Ranaut's complaint. She was slapped when she was en route from Chandigarh and she was traveling to Delhi. As per her complaint, when she was moving towards the security area, towards the curtain area where you are bodily checked, this constable Kulvinder Kaur got into an argument with her and slapped her. That is the allegation of Miss Kangana Ranaut, the Bollywood queen who just won an election from Mandi constituency. As per her, she came to Delhi and she met the Director General of CISF, Neena Singh, and briefed her about what all happened to her. Based on her complaint, DGCISF has initiated an internal inquiry and also an FIR has been lodged, and the said constable has been suspended. Kangana Ranaut has also raised an issue, a bigger issue as far as sessionism is concerned. She says that such incidents might might increase the number of cases as far as sessionism in Punjab is concerned. Actually, security agencies have also been red flagging these issues after Lok Sabha results came, and in Punjab, two leaders were elected who had association with some kind of radical ideology. One is Sarabjit Singh Khalsa, who is an independent and he won from Faridkot. He defeated the Aam Aadmi Party candidate and got almost 29% votes. He is the son of the assassin of former Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. He's the son of Beyant Singh. So he is one of the case which the agencies have highlighted. And the second is Amrit Pal Singh, who was arrested last year after being on run for almost a month. He is said to be the main player as far as Waris Punjab Day is concerned. He as per the agencies, as per the security agencies, has a radical ideology and he follows the Bhindra ideology. He's pro Bhindra ideology. In fact, he also dresses like Jarnail Singh Bhindrewala before he was arrested. Presently, he's in Dibrugarh jail and he fought election from Dibrugarh jail only and he won from Dibrugarh jail and he got 38% votes in Khadur Sahib. So this is another case which the agencies have highlighted and red flagged it. They say when we spoke to our sources in Ministry of Home Affairs, they say although both these win testify that election process in India is a fair process, but both these cases also have got a potential threat as far as the national security of India is also concerned, because they feel that their ideology might widen and it might get deep rooted in people there, and it might also embolden people with similar kind of movements, and that is why such activities need to be kept under check. And the latest incident as far as Kangana Ranaut's slap case is concerned, she has also highlighted the same cause and concern and has flagged the Ministry of Home Affairs. So thank you friends for watching this.